Okay guys, first ever we're doing a POV of spinner here at Skara Sommarland. And I love these roller coasters. I think they're amazing. They're a very short one, as you can see. But yeah, anyway, it's gonna be fun. But hold on. Whee! We already are loose for the spinning, which is amazing. Whee! Oh, it's so much fun. And there comes Tranan, by the way. That is so nice. Oh, Snake looks really close, that sucks. Anyway, always fun to be on a roller coaster. Oh, here we go, first re-drop. Doesn't spin that much, I have to say. And a little bunny hop. And another one. And we're done. That's the final break run. Little coaster. Oh, it's a fun little coaster. Not the best spinner out there, I can tell you, but it's still enjoyable. Like really.